Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, August the 9th. The time is around 3:15 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the silver right here. So let's take a look here what we expect. So we could see we ended with 4. And then now it's about to end with 5, and then once that is completed, that should be ending with A. So at least at minimum this 5 wave should be ending with one more leg higher above here, and then at minimum we should be getting a 3 pullback to correct this 5 ways up. Okay, now let's zoom out a little bit to get some ideas where we are, and also to talk about some possible alternates and other possibilities in silver. Okay, so let me zoom out in the 4-hour time frame and copy some of the labels we see in the 1-hour time frame, the 30-minute chart here. Okay, so let me copy this with 4 right here in the 4-hour, and this with 5 is about to end, should be here. Okay, so what that means then is and then let me copy the A as well right here. Now again, you can see on the full count in our member area, we have a promotion right now, and the trial is only 99 cents. So this is going to be, if you are still not really sure whether you will get benefit, then this is a good time, because the trial for now is running promotion of only 99 cents for 14 days. Okay, and you can find the link in the description of the video below. So here you can see we are now about to end with 5, so we can sort of guess if this is a 5 and this is 4. That means the 3 must be here, right? And then if this is the 3, then we can guess where's the 2 and the 1. So the 2 and the 1 must be somewhere here. Okay, and so that means we are looking at the cycle that started from this low here, which is July 14, right? This is July 14 right here. So from that low we can see a clear 5 swings of our 5 waves, and with an extension on the 3rd wave, very typical for wave 3, right? Now we have a clear 5 ways up. Now the question here is what kind of other possibilities can we get? Well, this is the thing here, is because of the 5 ways up, that means that it technically is looking for more upside, right? Even if we're going to be pulling back after we finish the 5 waves, that pullback is still within a 5 ways up, so that will extend higher again, right? So you get a couple of possibilities. So this could be with A or with 1, depending whether the trend has changed. This could be with P or with 2. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter P or 2, A or 1. The fact is, if it is a 5 waves, you should see another leg higher once the pullback here is completed, right? So whether it is a or a 1 will be defined later on, right? Will be determined later on. But for now, our focus is to see the short-term path, right? Because of the 5 ways up, we can conclude, okay, most likely we will see another leg up. Now another possibility here is the following. If you look at the RSI, okay, so for now, as of today, we still see a divergence right now. So this 5 ways up, it still remains valid, right? But let's say if let's say we see something like this, okay? Let's suppose we see something like this and continues to extend higher. Now this is what we need to kind of look at, right? Let's say we do something like this. Instead of correcting the entire 5 ways up in a bigger pullback, it just pull back, rather, it's just pulling back, correcting this, and then rally again. There are a couple of possibilities. So either the extension higher is still within a 5 ways up, like this, 1 2 3 4 5, ending 5 of A here. That's another possibility, right? Or another possibility is, if you look at the RSI and the RSI starts to erase any kind of divergence here, in other words, the RSI becomes very strong and break out on the upside. If that is the case, then There is another possibility in which this is actually ending here, so you can, you know, count it something like this, and then this is already your P and a 2, and you will, if that's the case, is going to extend higher impulsively pretty fast, like this, right? Is going to extend pretty fast on the upside. So those are the options we have. Both of them actually imply for the upside, but they have a different degree of bullish structure, right? Now, this is the most bullish, that this is actually already starting your C leg or a 3 or wave 3 to the upside. Now if that's the case, then the pullback here is not going to be a deep pullback. It's simply just a 3 pullback correcting these 5 waves and then continue to go up again, right? And then second possibility is if it is a shallow pullback and extend, is that we are actually still within the wave 5 extension here, like this. So this is nothing more than the blue one, right? The blue one here is actually this one. So then we extend higher within 5. So that's also another possibility, right? Which is also bullish. And then the primary count we are calling for is this one, right? Is this one. So this is what we are expecting, the call that we make. So we should be looking for this pullback, correcting this entire cycle. And typically that pullback, if it is in the P, then we should be expecting around 38.2 minimum, 38.2% retracement minimum. Can go to 50%, 61.8 even, but minimum 38.2 usually. And sometimes also ends around wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. So this pullback, for example, could be doing 3 waves like this, and then it touches this, finishing this, and then go up again. Okay, so that's the idea and the path from the silver, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.